In this video, I'll show you how to build this potting bench, made from 2x4s and cedar fence pickets. A very simple build, perfect for a nice little weekend. And as always, I'll have the build plans linked below in the video description. We're going to start this build by cutting the pieces that we need. Starting with the 2x4s, we're going to need 6 of those at 42 inches. This will be part of the frame and shelf supports. We'll need 6 at 19 inches, will be the tabletop supports and the other part of the frame. 2 at 36 inches, that's going to be the front legs. 2 at 72 inches, that'll be for the back legs. And 2 at 49.5 for the shelves. And for the fence pickets, we'll need 4 of them at 49.5 inches for the top, and 8 of them at 22.25 inches for the bottom slats. Next, we'll add our pocket holes to all of the support pieces, the 6 19-inch pieces, and the 6 42-inch pieces. I'm using my Craig 720 Pro for this. I get a lot of questions about this pocket hole jig. It works great if you're doing a lot of pocket holes. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but once I get these 19-inch ones cut, I'll switch to my little more manual pocket hole jig, which is a lot more affordable, and it does the same job. It's just held on with the clamp. And you just drill your holes. Pretty basic. So either way works with this project, as long as you can get your pocket holes in there. And we're just doing the 2 holes on each side on all of these pieces. And we're going to use 2.5-inch pocket hole screws when it comes time to attach these. I went with the blue ones, which are coated for the outdoor use, since this is a potting bench and it's most likely going to be stored outside. Next, I'm going to measure 6 inches up from the bottom of the long 72-inch back leg 2x4s. I'm going to mark a line, then we're going to measure 33 inches up and mark another line. These are going to be where the first 2x4s are going to go. The 42-inch frame pieces. So I'm placing this above the 6-inch line. So the 6-inch mark's at the bottom of that 2x4. And I'm just using the 2.5-inch pocket hole screws to hold this in. 2 of them on each side. And we're going to do the same for the next piece. The line's going to be below the 2x4. And this will be the back support, which the tabletop will end up resting on later on. And we're just using the 2.5-inch pocket hole screws to hold this in place. I made the overall height of this, for the tabletop anyway, about 33.5 inches, which is a comfortable height for me. You can always change this piece if you want it taller or shorter. Doesn't really matter. And now we're adding 4 of the 19-inch pieces. These are going to make up the sides of the potting bench. Using the same pocket hole screws, just lining everything up with the 2x4s that we just put on. Once these pieces are on, we'll flip this thing over. Or actually, we'll just move it out of the way for now. And then we'll get our front legs, the 36-inch pieces, and measure 6 inches up from the bottom of those. Then we'll flip it over, line everything up the best we can. And we'll attach the frame to these front legs. We're just going to line that 6-inch mark up. And make sure that that's on the bottom of the line. And then the top 19-inch pieces are going to be flush with the top of that 36-inch leg. And once the 4 side pieces are connected, we'll stand it back up. Then we'll add the front 2 pieces, 49-inch pieces. Just using the pocket holes and the pocket hole screws for that. Lining it up with the previous 2x4s, which will be about the 6-inch mark. Then we'll add the upper one, which will be for the tabletop to rest on. And then we're adding the shelf supports. These will also be attached with pocket holes, and I just kind of space these evenly apart Depending on the size of your shelves and how many things you're going to put on this bench, you can space them apart more or less, or add another shelf if you like. Doesn't matter. And now for the last 19-inch pieces. They're going to be for the tabletop support, which the pickets will be attached to. I just measured 14 inches over from each side on the inside of the bench. And then we're just going to slap these in. Here's a better view of what I'm doing. Just 14 inches over, one 2x4, and then 14 inches over from the other side, the other 2x4. And then the shelf supports, you can see those are just held in by pocket hole screws also. And now for the shelves themselves, these are 49.5-inch 2x4s. I'm adding 5 pocket holes to each one along the side. And this is what's going to hold it to the shelf support. But first we'll put on the bottom shelving slats. I'm cutting notches around so the 2x4s fit around the fence pickets. Just tracing it out and cutting it with my jigsaw. You're going to have 8 of these. Only 2 of them are going to have the notches, the end pieces. But these are the 22.25-inch slats. And the fence pickets I'm using here are approximately 5.5 inches wide, give or take a little. And then once the end pieces are in, I throw the other ones up, kind of spread them apart evenly. And I'm just going to go around with my brad nailer and attach them all. You can use screws here if you'd like. And then the same thing for the top. I'm going to cut the notch out on that back board. That's going to fit around those back legs. And then we'll add the other 3 slats. And these are the top slats, so these are the 49.5-inch long ones. And then again, we're just going to put those on there, spread them apart evenly. Going to have a little bit of an overhang on that front one. And I'm just using my brad nailer to hold everything down. And again, you can use screws here if you'd like. And now we're going to attach those shelves that we just drilled those 5 pocket holes in each one. Just going to line it up with the bottom of the 2x4 shelf support. And use the 2.5-inch pocket hole screws to put those in place. I'm just using the shelves are 2x4, so they're going to be a little skinny. You can maybe add a 2x6 if you'd like to make it a little bit wider, using the same concept. But for what I'm doing, the 2x4s are a perfect size. And just like that, we have our little potting bench. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.